Hey, 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 look, Your Best Deals. Voila! I got some stuff from Your Best Deals. Thank you, Your Best Deals. They asked me if I wanted to get a few things, and I said, of course, I like Your Best Deals. Okay, let's look at what we have. We're going to roll right through these. There's like 6. We're going to roll through them. Bada bing, bada boom, bada doom, bada doom. Okay, this one's super cute. And I need to find time to squeeze this one in because it could be done right now, right now, right now, right now, okay? Regular drills, okay? Toolkit. And here's what we have. All right, here's what we got. Halloween. Happy Halloween. I don't think it says happy though, it just says Halloween. Actually, is there an A there? Is there an A? I don't know. Halloween. There's like, I don't know. All right, anyhow, look at, it's a gnome guy. He's a gnome guy. He says Halloween, and he's sitting on a pumpkin. Technically, that's a jack-o'-lantern because it's cut out. Pumpkins, are just no faces. This is a jack-o'-lantern. He has 24 colors. He is picture printed. He's got some nice curves going here. Legend on both sides. DMC codes on both sides. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. I like him. I want to do this one. I want to do all of them. You know that, right? I want to do all of them. Anyhow, let's look at the drills real quick so we can get through all 6 of these. I was getting a email. Is your Facebook down? Facebook's down. What am I going to do? Messenger's down. Facebook's down. And I'm like, what? I just posted to Facebook. What are you talking about? It's down though. This is the day that Facebook went dead. Crisis known around the world. Oh, pinks. Look at all that black for that background. Black to black. Problem is, there's a couple of people that I chat with, and I chat with them through Facebook Messenger. I don't have their phone numbers. No chatting with them today. All right. Isn't it cute? I like it. I like it. Okay? That's all I have to say about that one. Okay? I don't know why I just told you that whole story, but I don't know. I felt like it. That's why. I don't have my scissors. I put the scissors away. Why did I do that? I don't know. We got a knife. Let's go with the knife. I have a dog behind me right on my carpet. The carpet right by the sink, and she's right there. Oh, I'm excited by this one. I can't wait to see what this one's going to look like. So I have to be careful. I don't step backwards and squish a dog. You'd know if I did. All right. Toolkit. Drills. Okay, this one looks cool. It's a 30 by 40, and look, it is a bubble special kind of situation going on here. Bubble painting special drill. It's going to be cool though. I want to do this one. It's pink. You guys, I could do this one for the DP pink event right now. I could do this. You know what? Some people are doing all kinds of small ones. I have my one big custom, and that was really my focus, but I could do this one. Look at, isn't it cool? Like this side is dark, this side is light pink. We've got the big flower in the middle. Look at all the different A, 7, 6, 1, 3. There's going to be different sizes. It's going to be cool. I want to try to sneak this one in. I'm going to do that. I am going to do that. Look at all these whites. Ooh, lots of white. Okay, let's see what other colors we have. I don't think there's a lot of different colors. A few colors in different sizes is what we're going to have. And then some specials. So this is like one of those mixed kind of situations. Okay, so what do we have? Let's see. So we have a lot of white. These are small white. Come on, camera. Be kind. Be kind. Oh, wind blew the door shut. Small white, medium white, large white, okay, black, clear. Oh, a whole bunch of these. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3 bags of the pink, and then we have 2 bags of the medium pink, and then a larger pink. See, I'm loving this. Okay, then we have like some champagne color. We got a white snowflake, an iridescent snowflake, some gold, some iridescent, and some bigger gold. So you see, we got different sizes and a lot of pink. Oh my gosh. I want to do this for the pink event. I can do a special for the pink event, right? I can. I have too many things I want to get done. Chuck is almost done as I'm recording this. Who knows when you'll see it, but maybe I'll try to do this one sooner rather than later. You know what I mean? Hey, there goes a school bus. Yeah. It has been a rainy, icky kind of day. It's finally stopped raining. More special drills. Oh, you know what this is right off the bat, don't you? I'm sure you do. Oh, what is that? A backwards Z of some sort? Has some champagne. I love this color. It's kind of like a burgundy background. And a big old poinsettia. Some Christmas balls. I love this. That's cool. I like that one. I like it. I like it. Huh, maybe I can put this video out if YouTube will upload it for me. Everybody else is complaining about Facebook and Messenger and Instagram, and I'm just like, I can't upload a video. Do you hear the ducks? If you can't hear the ducks, them critters are loud. Yellows, oranges, reds, greens, reds, red, yellow. Ooh, look at those big boy. Oh man, look at them. Ooh, they're cool. That's gonna make our poinsettia flowers, our petals. Love it. All right. They are causing a ruckus out there. Like I said, if you can't hear them, that's something, because they're noisy. Okay, we need the knife again. We need the knife, need the knife. Bring on the knife, bring on the knife. All right, here we go. Da 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 da. This one, okay, this one was, oh, okay, these are the same, never mind. I thought this one was a little more pliable, a little softer, but I guess it's really not. I just put an order away that had some of these quilling ones. Trying to keep all the quilling together. Now I just put some away, and now I gotta go find that box and put these away. Okay, what do we have on this one? I like the polka dots. Polka dots are not drilled. Well, these polka dots over here are. These polka dots over here are not. Okay, lots of flowers on this one. What color are those flowers, you might ask? I don't know, they look orange to me. Well, not that one. That one looks white. All right, so this is cool. You get a lot of swirly print here that's not drilled, and everything's just kind of outlined with your drills. See what I mean? It makes them look a little more fancy. Oh, there's a butterfly. We have a butterfly too. I like that. Oh, this is different packaging. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, it is. That just had numbers. That just had numbers. This has got all kinds of stuff on it. This has got like, look, it's got a code, like 94, the kit, 6.3. That must be how much is in it. Huh, got all kinds of information. Okay. All right, a lot of weight. Gold, burnt orange, smoky gray. That's a blue. Yellow faceted, clear faceted, blue faceted, larger blue faceted, fairly good size yellow, a marquee, and some clear. So this would be oranges and yellows. Oranges and yellow flowers. Yay. I love these. They're so much fun. Okay. So that's 2 quilling, 1 bubble, 1 full drill. Trying to get variety. We got a bubble. We got, yeah. All right, what else? What else do we have? First I thought full drill, but then I'm like, no. Oh man. Okay, so this is this is a day of quilling, apparently. Trying to break out of my, what are you doing? Plastics causing me an issue. Hang on. Plastic issue, look, come on. There we go, thank you. Okay. Man, the plastic is just like, it is stuck good on this one and it's not letting it relax at all when I unroll it. There we go. Perfect. Okay, flower. Like 5 flowers. They all look like they're the same flower, right? And I just love when they just go swirl, 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 all the little swirly things. Can you imagine if this was actually paper quilling and you'd have to make all those swirls and make them out of paper and glue them? I'd rather do this. I don't know about you, but that looks like a lot of work to me. All right, so lots of white. So the flowers are going to be mainly white with accents of yellow, teal, and blue. Yellow, yellow, teal, yellow, clear. It's a day here. Let me tell you what, if it's not the ducks, it's the wind. It's like, and then the whole, like, you know, internet thing, or not internet, but woo. It was raining up a storm this morning. Now it's windy, ducks are crazy. Facebook and Messenger have gone nuts. Instagram, it's just, okay, come on. Sometimes all you can do is laugh, right? All you can do is laugh. I really went heavy on the quilling this time. What happened? Someone took a corner. Oh my. I've never had that happen before. I've had weird things happen in unboxings. No. See, what? This is the plastic issue. See, I can't roll it backwards because it's not releasing the plastic and it's just kind of balling up and crinkling up. So okay, let's tackle this like we did the other one. If it won't release, then I can't get it to lay down. If I can't get the plastic to release at all. It won't let go. Oh. It's a day and a half. That's all I got. Okay. All right. I think we're ready. Wait. Guard ducks are back. All right. There we go. Very pretty Christmassy one. Got some packages down here in the corner. There, see the packages? Our flowers. Bunch of swirls. What else do we have? We have a candle. And then we have some bells. Big snowflake up here. I like this. These Christmas ones are so pretty. I like the Christmassy ones. So, what are we expecting? White, red, and green. Correct? What's the surprise gonna be? Look it won't lay flat still. Look it. Can I roll it backwards now? I don't know. Wah, wah. Oh boy. I'm starting to feel a little like Dorothy. And my Toto is a duck. I don't know. There. I said, there. Oh, Tifa, what are we going to do? Tifa. She's like, I don't know, Mom. Okay, clear. Just have a bag of clear. All right. Here we go. Any surprises? Green, red, yellow. Red, Get over there. Get over there. Apparently they forgot to fill the bag, so they attached them. But look at those. Those are cool. Those are big honkin' donkin' things, right? There's a ton of them. Where are they going to go? Okay, they're going to make these petals, but man, there's a bunch of them. Some clear. Oh, I love these. The little snowflakey star looking things. Red, gold, red, red, gold, yellow, green. Red, gold, yellow, green. That's all we have, folks. That's it, folks. Da, da, da. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So let's quill. Quill, 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 quill. But pink. DP pink for BCA. Special. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. There wasn't red in this. What? No, there's no red. This side looks red. It's on red. It's printed on red, but it's pinks. Okay, I'm gonna do that one. I gotta get it flat first. Oh man, the dog's tucking her nose underneath the cupboards, like, you know, under that little lip. Where are you going, Tifa? What? She's like, okay, I gotta get out of here because this was just weird, right? Okay, if you want to see more crazy stuff where I lose my mind and don't even know what I'm doing, come back, hit the subscribe button. It could happen again. You never know. You just never know what you're going to get. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, thanks for watching. You can hit the like button if you liked it. If you didn't like it, you know, just close the video. Just close it. All right. I'll see everybody soon. All right. Bye, everybody.